Okay, perfect.
Da-da-da!
Aw, Sammy, what have you done? My phone fell down. Be careful next time.
Ouch!
Sammy, cut it out! Oh, I've gotta do something about this.
Susie, where are you going?
Hi guys, today I realized that I can no longer do without a proper phone stand. And that's why, ta-da, we'll make one out of our favorite material, cardboard.
Susie, I'm sorry that you ruined your picture because of me. Hey guys.
That's okay, Sammy. It's been a while since I've started thinking about this craft. You can help me if you want.
Of course I want to! And I'll start with a few suggestions. What if we can make it look really unusual? What do you say about a phone stand in the form of an arcade game?
Oh, I love this idea. Let's do it! Guys, be careful with the cutter. We could also add a few compartments for stationery. Here we go.
Sue and I are the best crafting team ever. Do you agree, guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Okay, guys, this is what we've got. But the plain cardboard isn't good enough for a cool arcade-like phone stand. Let's use some magic. 1 and 2 and 3. Now it looks much better. As the next step, we'll make some kind of a drawer from all these pieces using glue. Please don't hurt yourself with the hot glue, guys.
You should also be careful, Susie. Let me help you a bit. As you can see, I'm fully equipped to craft. So I'm fully at your service.
Well, since you asked, you can deal with the rest of the cardboard pieces. We're gonna need one that's 18 by 18 centimeters and another that's 18 by 14 centimeters.
Sure, Sue. Easy peasy. I'll be right back.
What's he doing over there?
Sue, I already made everything and painted the pieces. Look!
Let's see. Wow, this is amazing, Sammy. Now we'll apply more glue.
Sue, did you finish with those pieces already? I made a new one for you. Here you go.
Guys, Sammy works really fast when he's excited about the craft.
Of course I'm excited. Even though it's just a phone stand we're making here, it's still an arcade! Woo!
Oh, Sammy, you're my faithful companion. Now we're gonna need our drawer again. It goes right here. And on top of it goes this little piece. We need to glue it at a slight angle.
Aha! Susie, did you know that the first arcade games appeared in the early 1970s? More than 50 years ago?
Yeah, it's a relatively old way of video gaming. They're also called coin-operated entertainment machines. Remember we played a few of them in our previous videos?
Oh yeah, that was quite an experience. Wait a second, what am I waiting for? Susan, I'm gonna go play those arcades. It won't take me long. Well, hopefully.
Terrific. And now I have to do all the work by myself.
Susie, I'm back! What did I miss?
Oh, not much. I cleaned the whole house and finished our craft.
What did you say?
I'm just kidding, Sammy. I was waiting for you to give me a piece of advice on how to proceed. Check this out. I've got these pieces that you made earlier. What do you say? Which one I should attach next?
Let's see. I'd say glue the bigger one at an angle and then attach the smaller one on top of it.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes, like that. Very good, Susie. And now if we put the other piece in its place, we'll get a nice compartment for stationery.
That is actually a great idea, Sammy. I love it when we do multifunctional crafts. Don't you guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Sue, will we play when we're done? Susie, when are we gonna play?
Sammy, be patient. Guys, this is how our whole construction should look. We cut the sidewall like this, you see? What we need to do now is to glue another sidewall in its place. One more time, be very careful when working with a glue gun. You can easily get burned. A bit of glue. This way. And done!
Oh, go on, Susie! Check if your cell phone fits in there!
The size of this space is as perfect as it can be. Awesome! And we're back with Sammy's favorite part of any craft.
Decoration! Woo! Take these pieces, come on!
Easy, Sammy. I got you now.
Yay!
Okay, now let's use a tiny bit of magic. Whoosh! Wow, so cool! Now these edges look much neater.
Wow, Sue! I told you that this would fit perfectly!
Next, we'll deal with the stationery compartments. I found this piece of colored paper. What do you say about lime green, Sammy?
What a perfect match of colors, Sue! I approve!
Great. Let's glue it inside our drawer like this. The main point here is to properly take all the measurements. We'll glue a piece of the same paper right here also. Now the whole thing looks even brighter.
Awesome! Wait, Sue. We can't lift this compartment without a lid.
Right. But first, I made this cool stand from foam paper so the phone won't slip. And there's the lid with a piece of foam paper. Now we'll apply some glue to the foam paper to attach it to the box. Again, don't forget to be careful with the glue gun.
Sue, I made a present for you. Wanna see it?
Sure. In the meantime, we'll attach this construction right where it belongs. There we go. Great.
Sue, check what I did! It's the present I told you about!
Oh, you did great, Sammy! It's a cool handle for our drawer. Now let's add more decor so our machine looks more realistic. Guys, we're going to make a nice screen for it. Check out what I've got! Let's glue it right here.
Awesome, but I also didn't waste my time.
Sammy, did you decide to become polka dotted?
No, these are for the fake buttons.
I know, I'm just kidding. Now check out my magic, guys! Whoa, Sammy, they look great! This is kind of fun. The buttons are so soft, just like the real ones. But what would be even more fun is to add a fake joystick. It'll make our craft even more realistic and cool looking.
It seems that great minds do think alike, and it is really cool.
What exactly are you talking about, Sammy? I don't really get it. Oh, Hop? What is it?
I thought about the joystick too, so I got you this foam ball. So what do you say now, huh? Who's the best crafter? I'm the best crafter!
Oh, now I'll use some magic to paint this ball red. Let's try it. Whoa! Done! Now let's add a stick to the ball. It'll look like a lollipop. There you go.
I heard something about sweets! A lollipop? Susie, where's that lollipop?
Sammy, I was talking about our joystick.
Oh, you tricked me!
Oh, guys, just look at it. It looks almost real. By the way, we don't have much work left to do.
She painted it red and thinks that makes her a better crafter. Well, make way for the pros, Susie! Like this. And this way.
Awesome, Sammy! I just love these stickers, especially this lightning bolt. This is so cool! It is like a real 3D effect!
So, who's better at decoration, huh?
Okay, I must admit that we both are very good crafters and you did great.
Yay! I'm so happy!
Why don't we fill these compartments with our best stationery? Here comes the part for this drawer. Let's add some bright and colorful erasers and also a pencil sharpener. And here are some marvelous markers. Hop?
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the view!
That's much better.
Well, Sue, how's it going? Oops, my bad.
That's okay, Sammy. This isn't a problem anymore, because I have this beautiful phone stand and you, sir, can't make my phone fall down anymore.
Yeah, this craft is awesome! Guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are a lot of cool videos there.
And don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye-bye!